Do you want a chance to win free tokens from some of the most impressive microcap projects in the crypto space just for joining a crypto community? That's exactly what happened to our 100th member, and you could be next. We just hit a huge milestone, 100 members in the Coynzy Capital Telegram community group, and we're just getting started. To celebrate, 4 amazing crypto tokens stepped up to make this event unforgettable. These 4 projects are all Solana based and have some great folks in these communities that have printed huge gains for many in our community. These top projects are Tasshub, Ladies on Soul, Captain Trench, and Heidrun. Each one gifted tokens to our 100th lucky joiner in the Telegram group just for being part of this movement and of course joining the free Telegram group down below. Now that is what real community looks like. Whether you've been here since day one or you're just hearing about us now, we're building something real. A community focused on crypto education, opportunity, and real support. No unsubstantiated hype, no fluff. So if you're watching this, take the leap, join the Telegram. You never know, the next giveaway might have your name on it.